PLC Network here. We have another unboxing, this time coming from the company Contour. This is the Unimouse, and we're going to pop this open. We're going to see what's inside it, and then you're going to go to the website. So let's go ahead and start off. A little bit of a different format today, so you can get a little closer look. When you open the box, you start off with a little postcard that gives you kind of a map of all the controls on the mouse itself. On the back, it shows you how to use the controller. In terms of adjusting it, at least. You have some disclaimers, you have instructions that kind of walk you through some things. You have a USB cable. This is USB to micro USB with an adapter to regular USB, and then the receiver. The purpose for the adapter is so that one cable can actually charge the mouse and extend the receiver if you need to, let's say your computer's far away and you just want to bring it closer to the mouse. Put that all back together. The receiver's small, just similar to any of the newer ones from like Logitech and Microsoft. Here's the mouse. I'm going to put that off to the side. Kind of already opened it, so the bag was a little destroyed there. This is the Unimouse by Contour. It has 3 buttons across the top, and it has a wheel here that also pushes down for a 4th button. On the side, by the thumb piece, you have 2 buttons, forward and back, usually for forward and back, like your browser or whatever. Usually you can customize this. You have a button inside here. This is usually or more than likely to sync it. And then you have an on and off at the bottom of the mouse. And that's it. So the whole purpose, what makes the Unimouse special, is that you can actually adjust the lift of the mouse. So it's basically a vertical mouse in one way or another. And either it's kind of a lower, kind of just a slight tilt like this, or you can customize it, and I can do this without breaking it. You can bring it up and have a vertical mouse here. Obviously, I haven't read the instructions here. You can lift it all the way up like this and have a full vertical mouse, so while you're using it, your hand is tilted at a vertical angle. So the purpose of this is all about user preference on, do you want it, how do you want it, what makes your wrist feel best, are you standing, are you sitting, and so forth. So it contours to exactly what you need. And then if your wrist starts to hurt, you can always adjust a little bit to kind of take some of the pressure off your wrist, so that way it's operating at a different angle. So, as for how it works, go to plcnetwork.net. We're probably going to run a story on this real soon, and we'll tell you if we like this or not. So again, plcnetwork.net, and we thank you for watching. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.